Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I'm J Marie. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we just hit 20K over here, guys. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. I really do appreciate it. So today's tutorial is all about this 90s inspired soft pin curl updo. This pin curl bun style has been trending all over social media, so I had to recreate this look. I'm starting off with a week-old silk press. Then I'm going to part off my bang. I'm adding some oil to my scalp. It's pretty dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and start smoothing my hair up into a ponytail. And I like to go back and forth between the brush, the comb, and also my tangle teaser. I'm placing my hair in a loose ponytail. Then I'm going to follow up with my edge control, and I'm going to place that all around the perimeter, making sure I smooth it in because we need this ponytail to be sleeky. So once I got my hair nice and smooth to my liking, I'm going to remove that scrunchie and retie it. Next, I'm going to be adding some clip-ins, and these are my Yuniffe clip-ins that I got from Amazon, and I'll have the link down below for you guys. But I've done 2 videos about these clip-ins, and I'll also link those videos as well. But I absolutely love these clip-ins. Now once I have all my clip-ins placed, I'm going to go in with my flat iron and create some curls. Now I'm only curling the clip-ins. I'm not curling my hair at all. And guys, this style is so nostalgic to me. Although it's a 90s inspired look, this style did carry through into the 2000s. When I was in middle school, I used to rock my Pump It Up Spritz Swoop. And we used to rock these pin curl ponytails, but we used to put them in the microwave to create the curls. Comment down below if you used to rock a microwave ponytail back in the day. So now that I got all the curls placed, I want some fullness to my ponytail, and I do not have a donut. I don't know where my little donut is, but I'm going to create one using this stocking cap and a headband. This is a real simple hack. I'm just going to take this headband and fold it. Then I'm going to add on my stocking cap. I'm going to create the little donut shape, and once I have that shape, I'm going to poke a hole in the stocking cap in the middle, and voila, I have my little donut. Now I can go ahead and stuff my ponytail. I'm smoothing my hair all around the donut. Then I'm going to add a scrunchie to hold it in place. Now that I have it in place, I'm using some of the hair from the front and I'm flipping it back over my donut, really trying to hide my hair because I don't want any flyaways of my hair sticking out. Now that I have the shape that I like, I'm starting to create my pin curls. I'm using hairpins to pin the curls in place. And I'm just going to continue this all around my bun. You'll see me remove some, replace some, switching it up. I'm going for a symmetric look, but also that messy look as well. I'm smoothing my edges with some edge control, and I'll have all products listed in the description box down below. I decided to add some hair to my bangs, so I'm using these 2 clips that's cut in half. Adding some curls. Then I'm recurling the pieces that I left out of the bun. And I'm going with a swoop for the bangs. And this is the completed look, guys. Look at how gorgeous this style turned out. It is so beautiful. It is very soft and feminine, and that's why I didn't add any hairspray. I wanted to keep it soft and minimalist and also have that effortless look, but it took a lot of effort to create. Like this video and also comment down below your favorite hairstyle from the 90s. Make sure your post notification bell is on, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.